Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this. I took this trade on this Friday, on the 14. Yeah, I think that was 14. Yeah, that was 14 of November. I took this trade. Let me explain to you guys how I took this trade, these two trades. Though this was my initiative profit, this is my initiative profit here. Here's my initiative profit. But I closed this trade. No, I wasn't like pay attention to this trade because I was outside. I placed the trade but and I went out to do something. So I closed this trade because of this reaction in 5 minutes. Because of this reaction when market sweep this last low and started moving up after this bullish close in 5 minutes, this candlestick, bullish candlestick closed in 5 minutes. I left the trade like I don't want to wait any longer. So let me explain to you how I took this trade. Yeah, I took this trade because of this reaction. I see like market took out this last low. This last low, market took it out and created liquidity right here before it started moving down. Though I thought market would take out this last high right here. Probably market want to continue this uptrend. But I noticed like market sweep this last high and make it liquidity, and there is very value gap in 1 minute at this place. Let me show you guys. Though the market did not mitigate that fair value gap, this is the fair value gap in 1 minute. In 1 minute, though market did not mitigate it, but it sweep this last high. Let me show you. That's it. This is it. Market only sweep this last high, then started moving down. Let's go to 5 minutes for clear. I think we can see clearly in 5 minutes. So when I see market sweep this last high, when I see market sweep this last high, I wait for the market to take out this last low today to this liquidity side. The market took it out as well. As you can see, market took it out, and I before market took it out, market created liquidity right here, and I placed my order. I not wait for any confirmation anymore. I just place my order right here at the 15-minute order block because there's order block in 15 minutes. Yeah, this is the order block in 15 minutes, and there's fair value gap right here. There's fair value gap before market created liquidity. Then market mitigated and started moving down. I placed the second trade. Let me show you how I placed the second trade because of some confirmation. Yeah, I think I placed the second trade in 1 minute, in 1 minute confirmation. Yeah, I placed the second trade because of this confirmation. I wait for the market to take out this last low to the 15-minute order block right here. And market took it out and created a liquidity. Then market, I placed this order. Immediately I see this reaction. This is the area this is the order flow. This is the order flow that caused this market shift. This is the order flow that caused the market shift. The market mitigated, then come back down to create a liquidity, this liquidity. Then I wait for the market to mitigate this. There's order block right here, this other block in 1 minute, and there's fair value gap as well. There's fair value gap right here. I think you guys can see it clearly. There's fair value gap as you can see. So this other block at the back of the fair value gap. The candlestick at the back of the fair value gap. That's our other block. So I wait for this two candle in 1 minute, bearish candle in 1 minute to close. Though the third candle is about to close, then I place the trade, second trade. Then this happened. And this happened. I closed this trade right here. Though I did not pay attention to it because after I placed the second tweet, I went out to get something, and I don't want to wait any longer. After market sweep this last low right here and started moving up. After this bullish candle, I closed. This was my initial take profit. This here, this one right here, this area that caused this inner break of structure right here. That's our initial take profit. But I closed before then. I closed right here. I closed right here. I closed right here. It is what it is, guy. We took this way and we end up to our destination. Though we closed earlier, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Thank you for watching, guys.